La Casa Encendida, the Lighted House in English, is a contemporary art museum and cultural center which promotes vanguardist cultural trends. Yes, the Lighted House is a sweet spot and offers lots of cool things. Would you like to see some? Let's get to it. On its wall are displayed posters to raise awareness of current human tragedies, like the large refuge camp of Moria in the Greek island of Lesbos. The techno music concerts of the Lighted House are a bomb. Social benefits like libraries for children and adults, free internet space, and computers for visually impaired. A video library with more than 10,000 videos. Awesome exhibitions based on techno music, language manipulations, and unintentional traces left by images. One nice coffee shop and the chill terrace bar. A big auditorium for all kinds of vanguardist cultural events and performances. In the summer months, the terrace is for concerts, dance floor, and movies. Are you ready to explore with us the Lighted House?